Hello, today is January 10th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. Let's start out with my last calls. I was looking for a drop on Friday, which we got. There was a mejt target of 2051.55. We immediately dropped to 2051.44, which was sufficient to satisfy the target. There was some support under it, and there was also resistance over it. During the day, the system said ultimately lower prices would print, which they did right on the nose. Earlier in the day, it also said ultimately lower prices would print. It said the drop was a false move and that prices would return to 2053.44. Well, we got as high as 2053.38. That's within 0.06, and that's enough to satisfy the price to make it optional. Optional targets don't really have to print, but they usually do. What about this one? Well, we had this handle sloping up, we had a break, and although there is often a return to the trend line, it doesn't have to happen. And if I'm reading this correctly, all we need for confirmation that this break is a significant one is to go under Friday's low pretty quickly, which should bring us to under the low of the diamond, which is in the 1990s. If this is a stilt, and we get a stilt here, which we don't have to, but this could be a diamond. We don't know till it's all done. Then we should have some support at the origin of the stilt, which is about 2020. It doesn't have to be a stilt-like move down, and I can make a case for a consolidation first. In any case, what we are looking for Monday is to see if this low falls, preferably sooner rather than later. And if so, we should be in for a good drop. And if not, something else is most likely going on. And that's today's call.